channel, Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to do some Dollar Tree crafts. They're just really super simple, but I wanted to do 3 things for Halloween this year. Originally I was just going to do 1, but I want to do 3 that I can mix in between a lot of the stuff that I've actually bought that I didn't make. So here are the items that I have. I've got some ideas in my mind. We'll see how those play out, but I have recently hauled all of these things from the Dollar Tree. So everything here is from Dollar Tree. I may not have hauled these picture frames. I cannot remember, but these are from Dollar Tree. Absolutely love these so much. So let's go ahead and jump right in with number 1. So craft number 1, really easy. All you need is a glue stick. I'm not even kidding, or a hot glue gun actually. So how do we go ahead and take this really cute sign and just elevate it a little bit, give it a little bit of, I don't know, something a little more, is by using one of these galvanized signs from the craft section of Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and do that. Number 2, all we're going to use are these picture frames from the Dollar Tree, these window clings, or alternatively, these pumpkins, which you can, there we go, get from Dollar Tree. So for this final DIY, this is the bigger one. I have definitely thought about what I wanted to do with this one. I just knew that I wanted to do something with this wood. I absolutely love this wood. It is a new find for me at my Dollar Tree this year. And I'm going to use it, I believe, vertically to get the height so that I can maybe put it up on top of my fireplace. So what I'm using is that sign, or that piece of wood. I'm going to be using the Pick Your Poison wall decor that I had got, hanging decor that I had gotten. I'm going to use all of it. I am going to go ahead and use the Rip decal that I didn't end up using, or window cling, for the photo frame, just because it's the only one that I really like out of all of them. I was even thinking this one, but I don't know. I don't really like a lot of the sayings. I think I grabbed this without actually reading anything that's on it. So that's really the only one that I'm liking. And then I'm going to use some burlap. This is my, if you watch my DIYs, I have had this for years. I bought this one from Dollarama. It's a huge stack that I paid $4 for, but you can grab yours from Dollar Tree. And then of course some hot glue. Let's jump in.
Alright, so one item that I forgot that I had that I'm actually going to use are these little fake spiders. Now I do believe these ones are from Dollarama. I've had them for years, but you can get them at Dollar Tree. And the reason I think I'm going to use them is to cover all these little holes. It's just a great way to cover those holes, maybe even add some onto the boards just to give it that extra
creepiness to it. Alright everyone, so those are my 3 DIY crafts for today. Leave me a comment below, let me know what your favorite one is. I'll give you a quick zoom in. Alright everyone, thanks so much for dropping by. Love and peace to you all, and happy Halloween.